Concord Travel and Tours as an organization has seen tourism around the world flourish since last 14 years and has contributed in its own way to the expansion by organizing host of services to both individual as well as the corporate traveler. Concord Travel and Tours, approved by Ministry of Tourism, Government of India, is based in Delhi and has been an active member of Indian Association of Tour Operators and Indian Convention Promotion Bureau. Has the distinction and experience to serve both the inbound and the outbound traveler.
The idea behind Concord Travels and Tour was to convert the vast hotel experience of over 2 decades and use this experience as a recipe to create an international brand of destination management company. The hotel experience also taught us the insight into the human behavior and use this experience in providing top-of-the-line services to our clients. We therefore have a vision of being the leading tour operator in India, handling both the inbound and the outbound tours, to be serviced by a team of highly creative, motivated and trained personnel. USP of Concord Travels and Tours is its unique ability to induce innovation even if you repeat the destination. We believe in bringing the best out of the destination, as we think the client is visiting the place for the first and the last time. We have a dedicated research team which identifies destinations according to your requirements. We analyze every nook and corner of the destination even before you reach there. We are a group of veterans working in this industry for the last 20 years. We utilize this experience in bringing the best possible deal for the client, from the hotel, transport and all the other related requirements for the tour. We have the capacity to maximize the value for clients' money.
Concord Travel and Tours possess few of the most coherent people from the tourism industry. Concord Travel and Tours handles VIP and extremely important delegations from countries all over the world who travel to India for business, conferences, exhibitions and meetings, as well as the travel of an individual traveller, be it to Rajasthan, Goa, Kerala or the Himalayas for leisure.
We suggest tailor-made programs, adding on personal touches in the itinerary, creating gala evening with Indian themes, audiovisual arrangements, even team building activities and so on. Actually, we treat small groups like a big deal and guide the big groups to the smallest of details.
Atithi Deva Bhava. In Sanskrit, it means guest is God. In the inbound division of Concord Travels and Tours, we try our level best to treat each guest as God by giving the most personalized service and going into all the details right from the query till their dream journey. So let's go places only with Concord.
Corporate Department of Concord works in close cooperation and coordination with the corporate and ensures that you focus on the event itself, leaving rest on us.
Concord Travel and Tours has best pool of professionals who ensure almost errorless and infallible planning of your journey with impeccable punctuality and flexibility according to your convenience.
We don't compete with each other as we compete with ourselves. The limitless aspiration for success motivate us to perform to our best capability. We believe in giving our 100% and the word of appreciation by our senior work as a fuel of aspiration to perform even better in future.
Keep up the good spirits. All the best.
We are client oriented. We believe in giving our best possible deal. Our primary motive is to attach 360-degree smile on the face of the clients when they return from their tour.
A coordination of best hotels, excellent transportation and language interpreter will ensure a memorable experience. With Concord Travel and Tours, you can avail special benefits by seeking our assistance in special services like theme evenings, weddings, picnics, banqueting and several other conveniences on your tabant.
Our record speaks for us. We boast of having numerous satisfied clients from a spectrum of section. We have served them to their best in product launches, conferences, group tours and several other services. We always ensure you derive maximum satisfaction with zero mental applications, as we make certain enjoy the best and leave the rest.
As Director BRCM Public School, a renowned residential school of Haryana, we entrusted our campaign to Concord Travels for a high-altitude trek in Uttarakhand for 540 students altogether. Their planning and execution of the project was really outstanding.
The appreciation of client for us is the real milestone, and that is what we as an organization believe to recognize. For us, action speaks louder than words. Our reputation as a tour operator is being accepted and applauded by numerous esteemed organizations in and across the globe.
I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to Concord Travels and Tours who are standing there. They were doing real hard job, meeting our people at the airport, providing good accommodation, and I have been traveling all over the world, and I would say that you're the best in the world.
We are so happy with the services provided by Concord that we are taking our next trip again with them.